Hello. This demonstration is to show you how you can send email to your Cobra system. So once you're on your Cobra, which is where your course is, you go ahead and take a look at where your course is. Right underneath, you see that if you have subscribed to Office 365, which I have it on another YouTube video, how to get subscribed for Office 365, you get the Outlook, which is your email system, your calendar, and your OneDrive in there, right on that first page where all your courses are listed. So just remember this, and now let's go ahead and assume that this is your course. So we're going to go into the course. Alright, so now for me to send an email, or for you to initiate an email to your faculty or to the students, you can go ahead and go to email. And here there is either instant messages or email, and we're going to go to the email address. And right here I'm going to be emailing everybody on this. This is a test email. Okay, and here there are all the recipients, 2. And once I do the 2, then I add the recipients. Now I've got all of you guys on here. Okay, and I can go ahead and put on the subject. For you guys, you're going to always put down your course number for me. So this would be CIS 112051W. And if this is another course that you have, you need to put down, and if you want to add your name to it, Maria Mobasiri, and this is a test email, let's say. So once you have that, then you can go ahead and push the send button, and it will go to everybody. So now let's say that that's not what I want to do, and let's say that you actually want to, I'm going to abort that, and let's say you want to send email just to me. So to send an email just to me, you can go ahead and go to, again, your email, and go to your address book, and you're going to find my name in here, which is on alphabetical order, and here is Maria. And once you have that, you're going to say click 2, and that's going to put my email address on the 2, and then add recipients will actually add that email address. Subject line is going to be CIS 112051W, and this is the test email, and you can send that to me by clicking on send. Once you send that to me, then, or if I send you an email, one way that you can check for your email is by going to, remember that first page, either you can go to your email Outlook, but if you're still on Cobra, you can really go to your Outlook out of your Cobra account, which is on that first page that initially in the beginning I showed you. So right here there is the Outlook, and if I click on here, it's going to open up my Outlook account, and you see that the email is right here. So I can respond back from here, from the Outlook. I cannot respond from my Cobra. I can always initiate an email from my Cobra, but to respond, this is the email. I can reply, choose reply to all, forward, or whatever it is that I need to do, reply. This is how you can reply to my emails. So this concludes this session of how to send an email to your Cobra account.